Nowadays, modular kitchens have become a major attraction. Yes, I'm talking right about kitchens that you are thinking about. Kitchens becomes a most important part in house, and for that you have to have modern equipments, microwaves, chimneys. And to make you more aware about modular kitchens, we have with us today Mr. Amit Gupta, director of Effects Kitchen.
See, basically the kitchen we're talking about, it's a contemporary modular kitchen with a high gloss finish, and we've used some kind of a combination of two colors. It's like red under counters and white overheads with aluminium and glass. So I'll just take you through the small display of this kitchen. So this is like basically good for a pantry or a compact kitchen. We have these high gloss shutters with inbuilt aluminium handles here. So these wooden drawers are running on German channels, and you can just smoothly slide them in and out. So this is basically good for your napkin storage and stuff. Then we have these module with a cutlery tray here. So this is a detachable cutlery tray. You have a wooden drawer underneath, and you can just store your cutlery into it, take it off whenever you want. So these are very easy to do it yourself kind of kitchen. If you want to just change and redo the color scheme, we have a lot of different colors on this. This is a very contemporary new concept. We're importing these panels from Germany, and you can have these high gloss finishes in white, off-white, ivory, silver grains, teakwood color. We can have a blue, black, purple, maroon, coffee color is new. Then we have these rough finishes. So it gives an entirely contemporary look to your kitchen.
What's this?
This is basically a sink unit. We have to have a sink over this. So it's a easy automatic dustbin kind of a thing. You don't have to.
Yeah, I don't have to bend down.
You don't have to bend down. You don't have to touch it every time you want to throw garbage. Just open the door, and it opens with the door automatically. So I'm just using this to throw garbage, and whenever I have to clean it, I just take out this bucket, empty it out, and just put it back so the dustbin sticks here. I don't have to touch the dustbin every time.
That's good as far as cleanliness is concerned.
Cleanliness and hygiene, because I'm not touching it every time.
Yeah, right.
Then this is a 2-tier bottle pull-out unit. We can stack bottles in small jars into this. So basically, when you're cooking, you have your cooking oils in spice jars handy just next to the cooking unit. We have a special fitting in here at the corner. It's taking care of the dead space in the corner. So basically,
That's nice lift ups.
you don't have to bend in and take out the stuff. All the stuff comes here. So what I have in the corner is right here. It's so easy to use. It just slides in and out. You can just take it out easily and access the corner space, and this stuff here just comes out with the shutter. We have these special trolleys for spice jars. So basically it takes care of all your spice bottles.
Okay.
Small jars, many of them can fit into it. You don't have to keep them at different places.
Yeah, since the food is cooked here, so it's nice
We
to
the
have
jar handy
everything.
just next to the cooking. And then these are special hinges. They make the unit slow closely. This goes slowly. So it's a
Okay.
soft close without any.
Even if we leave it, it will get it
It
closed.
has no banging sound.
Yeah.
Then we have these baskets for the large utensils. You can store your bigger utensils into all this.
Okay.
And the heart of this kitchen is obviously this tall pantry pull-out unit. So when you open it, it swings out. All these baskets are height adjustable. If I'm keeping bigger bottles, I can just take them out, put them at a different height.
Okay, that's
Like, I
great.
can just take it out. I can put it here.
Okay, according to our needs
According to the
and
height and the
need.
width of the
Yeah.
bottle. And similarly with the internal baskets. So this unit is good for holding a lot of groceries
Yeah,
and your dry
absolutely.
fruits. You can make it lockable and just store your stuff here.
That's all for today. But for more descriptions and details about modular fittings, modular cabinets, and of course modular kitchens, keep logging to mypropertyfact.com.